Stress. It's the silent shadow of every trader. When stock prices fall, you run out of cash. You can't buy because your funds are stuck. You can't sell because prices are lower than what you paid. You feel trapped, and that trap is stress. When prices rise, the stress doesn't vanish. It changes its shape. You ask yourself, should I sell now or wait for prices to go up more? And in that hesitation, today's profits can quietly turn into tomorrow's loss. This is the real problem of trading. Not just the ups and downs of the market, but the uncertainty of knowing what to do and when to do it. Stress is the mental condition when you don't know what action to take to get out of a particular situation. That's why Dozen Diamonds built the Stressless Trading Method, or STM for short. Click the link below to register and join the webinar to know more.